Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to remove memory card in Redmi A5. So to do this, you should take your phone from the left side and take that SIM ejector tool, that tool that you find in the box of your phone. And after that, as you can see, we have that small hole here in your phone. You take that SIM ejector tool, and you enter it in that small hole and you push a little bit like this. And the SIM holder from your phone will be out. And normally you will find your memory card here in this place, in that big place. You can take it out, and after that you put that SIM holder into his place in your phone. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video, and see you in the next one.